A surgery drug that heals the mind? Ketamine is a medicine doctors have used for years during surgeries. But now, researchers have found that in small doses, it may help people with severe depression. Sounds surprising? Let's explore why. Your brain has three key systems that help keep it in balance. They're called NMDA, AMPA, and GABA. NMDA helps your brain send signals quickly, like stepping on the gas. AMPA helps your brain respond and feel motivated. GABA slows things down. It helps you relax and not feel overwhelmed. In depression, NMDA activity goes up, making the brain feel stressed, foggy, and overwhelmed. At the same time, AMPA activity goes down. The motivation switch just isn't working well. And GABA, the brain's brake system, also goes down, so there's nothing to slow things down or bring calm. The result? A brain that feels overwhelmed, unmotivated, and stuck. Ketamine works by binding to a brain receptor called the NMDA receptor, which normally acts like an excitement switch. By blocking this receptor, ketamine helps calm down excessive brain activity. This change then activates a different receptor called AMPA. AMPA plays an important role in motivation and focus, partly because it helps the brain produce a special protein called BDNF, Brain-Derived Neurotrophic Factor. BDNF helps brain cells grow, repair themselves, and reconnect. It's like a fertilizer for your brain's neural connections. Now, let's go just a bit deeper. NMDA receptors are normally activated when glutamate binds to them. But ketamine acts as a non-competitive antagonist, so even if glutamate is present, the NMDA receptor doesn't activate. In response, the brain thinks, we need more activity, so it increases glutamate release. This extra glutamate then acts on AMPA receptors, activating AMPA-mediated signaling pathways. And that activation is what ultimately boosts the production of BDNF, that helps repair and reconnect damaged brain cells. It supports the return of motivation, clarity, and emotional strength. Ketamine isn't just used in surgery anymore. A form of it, called Esketamine, has been approved in the US as a nasal spray called Spravato, used when other antidepressants don't work. It's given under medical supervision and may help restore hope. Ketamine started in the operating room, but its greatest power may be what it does in the brain. Thanks so much for watching all the way to the end today. On this channel, I do my best to make medicine easy to understand and maybe even a little fun. I'm here to help you pass your exams, and I'll keep doing my best to support you. If you subscribe or give this video a like, it really means a lot and keeps me motivated. See you in the next video.
For quick, powerful reviews, this is the only channel. Don't forget to subscribe.